Alrighty guys, welcome back to CT Fishing. Today's a bit different of a video. As you can see, I'm all bundled up. I'm not bringing the GoPro with me. I'm going out on the water. So if I catch a bass today, it's just gonna be a short clip of me showing you guys the bass and filming the release and talking a bit about it. And that is because it is like 50-mile-an-hour winds right now. It has just got done pouring rain, like 3 inches of rain. And so all the drains and storm drains going into these retention ponds are flowing with water right now. So I'm not missing this opportunity to hit up all these little storm drains, and I'm hoping to show some of you guys some big old bass, so stay tuned. Guys, we're out here by the pipe. Finally got us one, nice decent one on that Z-Man jackhammer. So there you can see that water pouring in there, and them guys are in there. So there we go, got us one. All right, got fish number 2 out of the storm drain. Another fire crawl chatterbait fish. Got a nice spot on it.